Where the mid pipe meets the axle back, there's a gap, and you can feel the heat escaping right there, and that's definitely the source of the leak.